Hi, welcome back to Expert Village. I'm Ann Appra. I'm a caterer in Los Angeles area, and I'd love to come to your house too one day. I'm going to show you how to grill beautiful crostini toasts right out here on the grill. You can do it with your guests around. You can do it, put them to work if you want. It's a lot of fun. So one of the secrets I have to get beautiful grill marks on my crostini breads is I'm going to dip a regular paper towel in olive oil, extra virgin. You can use any kind of oil if you want. You can even use good old-fashioned vegetable oil. I'm going to take this on a hot grill, so it's hot, so be careful. Mind that you're going to just do quick strokes and reapply a little more olive oil so it's nice and juicy. So when that bread hits it, you're going to hear a nice searing sound and get those pretty grill marks. I'm going to kick up the heat just a tiny bit more, and I'm going to put our bread slices on there. You see I've cut them nice and thin. I've slathered on lots of extra virgin olive oil with my pastry brush, and I'm going to put them olive oil side down right there on the grill. I'm going to just line them up here. This takes about 10 minutes or so total for them to grill. So you can do this ahead of time and then do another project, perhaps chopping garlic or your basil or whatever else, or maybe setting a table. Maybe you'd like to pour yourself a drink or a nice glass of white wine. I like to have a Pinot Grigio when I do parties, making an Italian feast outside when I have a nice light menu and spicy garlic involved. I find it's best to have a crisp wine with it. Okay, these are going to sit for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'm going to check them, so we'll be right back.